Hello everyone, and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a dark fade with a short, textured, and disconnected top. This is a regular client, not a hair model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
Alright, the first step, make the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by Caliber. I have a detachable blade that I'm using and it's called number 1. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Because this is a disconnection, you're going to completely avoid cutting any of the hair on top. You're only going to focus on the hair that's on the side. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1/2-guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on whatever dark spots you may have left behind. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. For a more natural look, I thought it would be better to just fade out the back. To do this, I fully extend the blade on my clipper, and each time I pass through the section near the back of the neck, I tap the blade just a bit to close it, and I continue to repeat this step until it's completely blended out. The clipper I'm using is the 50 cal by Caliber. The next step is to clean up the lineup with the straight razor. The next step is to remove a little weight from the top with the shears. Now it's time to add a little texture using a sliding technique. If your texture disconnection looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The machines in this video have all been provided by Calibre. To find them, visit CalibreProCorp.com and use discount code 555.